Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be replacing the passenger side mirror on my 2006 F-250. I had a little mishap. I backed into a dumpster and now I need to replace it. So I got online, went to Amazon, and I was able to pick one up brand new for about 98 bucks. Comes with everything that we need, the brackets, the whole 9 yards. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right, one of the first things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pull this cover here off. You should be able to just grab a hold of that and pull that right off, and there's a couple of clips that just hold it in there. Next, there's a piece of rubber here, gasket. You want to pull that away. And then there's going to be a couple of grommets right over here that kind of hide the hole where the nuts are going to be. Do the same thing over here. And it should reveal 4 11mm nuts. So all you need to do is go ahead and loosen them up. Now on the last one here, I'm just going to loosen it up and kind of have it finger tight so I can get around the side here and kind of hold the mirror. We have to take the side cover off here to disconnect the electrical. Alright, so we need to take this side cover off, as I mentioned, so we can disconnect the electrical to the power mirror. And a lot of times, this stuff is just plastic. It'll just kind of pop off there, just like that. And then you want to take, this is a 9/32. Alright, and down here, you have another marker light. Just want to take your screwdriver on one side, pull that out, and you have another bolt here. Pull that off. And once you've done those 2 bolts, it should just kind of lift up and slide out of there. You'll have to thrash it around a little bit, I'm sure. Just kind of lift up. Should come right out of there. And set that off to the side. And then we should be able to get into there where the electrical is for the mirror. And it's right here. Can you just take a screwdriver or something, just kind of slip it in there and pull that plug out. Remember, we left that top one just kind of loose so you can hang on to the mirror. Let's go ahead and remove that one. Get it out of the way. Go ahead and pull the mirror out. Alright, there it is. Let's get that out of the way and get the new one. Alright, take your new one and take the old gasket off the old mirror, okay, and install that. And go ahead and feed your power cable down in there. So you have your nut ready. Get that top one in just to hold it there. Go ahead and plug your cable back in, just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and put the side cover back on, put the rest of our bolts back in, and we should be good to go. I did notice that you need to snap this in. Okay, there it is. Let's go ahead and test it. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the parking lights. They're working. And let's go ahead and try the blinker. That's working. And the mirror itself. And that's working as well. So there it is, not a whole lot to it. It's starting to rain. About $98 and about probably an hour or so to install it. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.